Today we're going to talk about how to keep warm when it's cold and trying to save space when you're traveling. Well, I grew up in North Dakota. I know cold. After I was in the Army and I got back, no. So me and my wife moved to Texas. We were there for 20 some years, 23, 25 years, and then we've been in Florida for 5+. So we like it warm, but we're realists and we know we go to cold places, and I have to go back up to my home office in North Dakota every now and then. And it's cold. So here's why I travel when it's really cold and it's not so cold. The first thing I pack is a hoodie. Now this one I got for my work, but everybody knows a hoodie. And this is the base about being warm, just a hoodie. Zipped or pullover, it's your personal preference. I got this free from work, so I have this. If I had to choose, I would like a zip. You don't have the full pass-through pocket. You have too smaller one, but that's fine. Then you're not having to pull it over off and on, and it's just much easier. This will come into play later too. When it's really cold out, I pack this right here. So, and it's not very big. You can see right this. This is, the link will be below. This is a Packable Puffer. And that's what this is. Just the Amazon Basic Packable Puffer. And the Amazon Basic is good quality. It's warm and it's great quality. And don't worry, I'll put it back in this to show you how easy it is. Open it up. Sorry about that bumping camera. Open it up. And here it is right here. Very nice. You have really big interior pockets here. You have outside pockets here and here that also zip up. These go down here, and it's a little flexible around the wrist. No hood, but you got here. This is very, very warm. Very, very warm. Now, when it's really cold, like when I was up there a few weeks ago, the warmest it got for 2 or 3 days was -2. That's the temperature, that's not the wind chill, -2. So here's how I would, just to keep it really warm up there. I'd put my hoodie on, and then I'd put this on over, with the arms obviously through, when I'm wearing it. So it'd be something like this. If you want to match more, get a black hoodie or something like that, or get a different puffer jacket. But this here and here kept me, I was fine, and that's -2. So that's how that is. And there's a way you can fold this up. If you watch link at the end, I'll show you how to do an army roll. You can actually roll this up and use this as tuck-it, where it's about this big around and about that long. Really, really tight. But here's all there is to pack this. What I find out the best way, the easiest, is just put the coat like you have here, tuck the arms in here, and what I do is I fold it in thirds. You'll see why in a minute. Start at the top. Roll this as tight as you can and hold it. And use your other hand to start putting it in the bag. Right here. As you can see. Oop, I missed it. See, and it happens. I let go of it. Don't let go. Moral of the story. Like I said, it's not the easiest, but it's not difficult. Once you get it started, right, oh, that's why, because it was inside out. That's why I was having a problem. Just make sure it's not inside out. Be much easier. And just start tucking it in. Once you start, you can let go. That part here was tucked underneath. That's why I was having a hard time. Just start tucking. And like I said, no editing, no cutting. Normally it's faster than this, but you can see every now and then, you know, stuff like that happens. And then push the little button here, grab the end, tuck it in more. You got the Packable stuff down. This pack's really nice in the suitcase there, or carry-on, because I travel just with the carry-on. That's all I do. So that's it. That's all there is. How to keep warm. Basically a hoodie and a packable puffer. So, and the actual hoodie I want, I'm going to link down below so you can see it down there from Amazon. It's actually a hoodie like this, but it's like a tan color, but it's a ramen. Seriously, awesome. I love that one. So there it is. That's how I stay warm when I travel. I hope this is enjoyable. If you liked it, please give it a like, subscribe if you do so desire. Thank you very much. Everybody have a great day.